Unlock the full potential of your iPhone's ability to manage all your documents with this ultimate guide to the Files app. Let's dive into the Files app on your iPhone, a powerful tool that centralizes all your documents, making organization a breeze. When you first open Files, you'll see Recents. At the bottom, this is where you'll find files you've recently opened or downloaded. It's a quick way to access what you were just working on. Tap on Browse to see the different locations where your files are stored. On my iPhone, keeps files directly on your device. While iCloud Drive syncs your files across all your Apple devices, you can also connect other cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive by scrolling down and tapping Edit next to Locations, then tapping the plus sign to add them. To create a new folder, simply navigate to the location where you want it. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select New Folder. You can then give it a name. Managing your files is intuitive. To move a file or folder, long press on it, tap Move. Then simply tap on the destination folder to place it there. Easy peasy. Need to share a file? Tap on the file to select it, then tap the share icon. That's the square with an arrow pointing up from here. You can send it via AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or any other app that supports sharing. For an extra layer of organization, you can add tags to your files while viewing a file. You can access tags through the share sheet or by long pressing and selecting Tags. This allows you to categorize files by project, status, or any system you prefer. And if you ever can't find something, the search bar at the top of the Browse tab is your best friend. Just type in the name of the file, and Files will instantly locate it for you, no matter where it's stored. So there you have it, the Files app on your iPhone, making file management straightforward and efficient. Start organizing today.